Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use the day one journal app. Now to use the day one journal app you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The day one journal app is an popular journaling app for iPhone, iPad, Mac and other Android version also. Now to use it, make sure that you have already installed the day one journal app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. And the first thing and the first basic thing is that you just need to install it and set up the day one. So you just need to install the app and create an account for the day one. So after that you will be landed to the home page of the day one journal app, where you'll see the various options like journals and more at the very bottom and various options at the very top list. So to create a new journal entry, you may open the app and click on the option of plus right here. So from here you need to simply type your journal entry, or also you may add title and format the text you needed, or also you may choose the photos template as suggestions from here. And you may also click on the option of more and you will see the option of video, draw, scan to PDF and all of it. So you may simply add the photos by clicking on the option of add, but you need to give the access to it. So I'll simply add this photo for now. So select the photo and click on the option of add at the very top right. So you may click on the option of use, and you may also click on the three dot at the very bottom, and you may also add the various tags, and you may also give the journal name, and you may select the time, the last edited version and all of it. So you may also set the location from clicking on the option of set location, and if your journal is ready then you may click on the option of done at the very top right, and here you will see the option of list, and under the list you will see the journal which you have created. So you may also use the template by clicking on the option of templates. So you may simply add a template, and here you will see the option of various templates which is available in the day one journal app. So you may simply select the templates from here, and you may use the template of your choice, and you may simply create the journal like this. So that's it. That's how you can use the journal app on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.